Good morning, students. I am Dr. T.D. Mahanavar from DG College of Commerce, Satara. We are going to study obstacles before entrepreneurship. In the last period, we have discussed on meaning, definition, and characteristics, qualities of entrepreneur, as well as we have studied the role and importance of entrepreneurship in national economic development. We are going to study obstacles before entrepreneurship. Basically, beginning as well as becoming an entrepreneur is not an easy task. There are so many obstacles and challenges on their path of new entrepreneurs because entrepreneurs have or entrepreneurs are facing so many challenges at their earlier earlier stage as well as at the initial stage. Not only initial stage, the developing, maintaining, and sustaining long term business as well as enterprise is also a crucial task. Establishing new enterprise is a gamble. We know the gambling because there are various challenges and there is not a proper guarantee that the enterprise will become success or not, but he also take risk and uncertainty risk in uncertain situation. So there are so many obstacles and challenges to become successful entrepreneur. We consider some important points, and on the basis of these points it can be possible to discuss such obstacles and challenges before entrepreneur. First of all, we consider selection of human resource. We know that there is a quotation, right man on right place. Basically, entrepreneur has required or enterprise has required skilled, unskilled, and semi skilled human resource, but it is necessary to find right people for their right activities, and it is not only for a specific time activity, but it is a lifeline activity in entrepreneurial sector. Another one and most important is such selected people can either build or business, either build our business or hamper on our success. Basically, each and every person have limited ability and capacity. He should not all the he should not have all the ability, and there are limitations in in any person. So he should have need to hire, to select right people for right work, and this is a crucial task while starting an enterprise. But in case of our India, we have we have a lot of people, but these peoples have limited ability and skill. Their mindset is not proper to do any work promptly and seriously. So, the team of enterprise should have to spend time for clearly defined organization's vision, mission, and goals. Because for the purpose of team building, enterprise should have spent time for developing them such vision and imparting such mission and set goals of business. Picking and building the right team for such process is time consuming. Entrepreneurs are under pressure to picking the right people and develop them in proper manner. This is the challenge. Another one is multiple role and responsibility. Entrepreneur plays a dynamic role in this organization like CEO, founder, manager, organizer, etc. He also play such type of multiple roles at a time, and don't expect to only work on sales or business development, because he has to do all the types of activity. He should have know all the types of task. He should have skill to manage and organize people. But we know that there are limitations regarding financial knowledge, marketing knowledge, legal aspect, and human resource management skill also. So, this is the very crucial task, and it is called as multiple role and responsibility. He also shouldering various types of responsibilities at the time of managing as well as establishing any business activity. This is the limitation. Another one is work life balance. We know that entrepreneur can work from anywhere and anytime, but downside is that you aren't you are pretty much working during most of your free time. Entrepreneurs have a dual type of work. First of all, he had a family responsibility, and another one is business responsibility. In that dual responsibility, he had to he had a he is facing such type of problem how to life his balance. That might involve fielding sales calls in evening and finishing work at weekend or putting out fires while on vacation. It means that he should have work 24 by 7. He should have work as well as responsibility 24 by 7, because he had no any vacation at the weekend or any vacation like government servant. And this is the problem. In case of Indian women entrepreneurs, these entrepreneurs have responsibility of home along with career. So there is pressure of work and home life balance in case of women entrepreneurs. Another one is self motivation. Without a boss to keep you in line, discipline because a self taught responsibility, because entrepreneur is a owner, entrepreneur is investor, entrepreneur is a manager, but he should have maintain own discipline and self taught responsibility and self ignition, but all the peoples have not such type of self motivation, and this is the problem that may involve getting up early to work, helping team members on certain project, holding meetings on holidays. Such type of work is required by the way of required and complete by entrepreneur. So this is the challenge to how to self motivate himself. Another one is high risk. Starting a business is not a walk in the park. There is a lot of financial and legal risk involved if you don't do your homework. Business without plan in place to manage their finances risk ending their ventures permanently. In brief, in brief, we can consider various types of risk because entrepreneur have ability to accepting risk and challenges. You know that in the last period we have studied the various types of risk, that is natural risk, geographical risk. Another one is economical or financial risk, cultural risk, social risk, legal risk, technological risk, and international environmental risk. Change in technology creates high risk because we have to ability to cope up with such changing technological environment, because new technology hampers the present position or present production process of our enterprise. If you have not acquired such technology in our process or mechanism, we can become we can become out of that particular competition. So risk accepting risk is the challenge because there are various risks and how to manage such type of risk. Change in fashion is also risk because there is a mindset of customers that accept variety of product, new services, and they attract towards such new and innovative products and services. And entrepreneur should have challenge to cope up with or develop such type of competitive product, and that's why he had to he had to require reinvest money in that particular organization. Few business connections. Businesses are built on networks of investors, partners, influencers, and team members. So there is a coordination between all there is a there is a coordination which is required in all the stakeholders like investors, partners, customers, and other team members means in that particular organizations there may be shareholders and shareholders and also employees. Unless you are a veteran in a certain industry, you are going to have to build your business network from the ground up. That may be challenge for those with the little networking experience. How to coordinate such all stakeholders and how to fulfill their requirements, how to satisfy them in proper manner is the challenge and obstacle before entrepreneur. Next one is building reputation. Building up a new brand can be one of the biggest challenge before new entrepreneur, because at the initial stage entrepreneur or any business has not any reputation, and due to limited reputation the response from customer is also very limited. But in that particular stage entrepreneur should have proper patience and build their try to build their new brand among the society. Unless you have an innovative breakthrough on your hands, you likely to have dozens of competitors that your target audience will already be more familiar with. It means that if you have not built your reputation and maintain your reputation, we have or you have so many competitors, and these competitors can compete with compete with you, and they pass us, and we cannot maintain your proper reputation, and you if you are not able to develop your brand, and this is the challenge. Legal consideration. Building up new brand can be one of the biggest challenge of new startup unless you have innovative sorry this is the repetitive point. Another one is leadership. Entrepreneurs may struggle in their new found leadership role because leadership is an important and leadership should have such type of qualities. Leader means who shows the way and goes on that particular way. There is need of followers. There is need of followers. And to becoming such successful leader of an entrepreneur, there are some acquired skill and there are some basic skill which are required to become a leader, and becoming a proper leader is a crucial skill, and it cannot be developed in very short period. Another one is limited supplies and technology. We know that today's age is technological age. In other words, it is called as IT age. In that particular situation, we have required various types of amenities such like hardware such as computers, printers, cameras, etc. Another one is each and every organization should have their own website, effective software for it is called as management information system, and it is also crucial work how to develop such type of MIS in our organization. But in the changing environmental situation, the technology is also changing day by day, and you have to adopt such type of technology for they survive your business activity and to develop such type of relevant web apps of the business is also a challenge. Another one is competition. In the modern age, there is cutthroat competition in every sector. Unhealthy competition adversely affects the new enterprise. Because of such unhealthy competition, we are facing problems like such bad practices of our competitors. But in case of considering the code of conducts and ethics, it cannot be possible to accept such type of bad practices. But some entrepreneurs are going on that particular way, and such practices are discourage the newly entered entrepreneur. Another one is marketing challenge. Marketing scenario is always changing with changes with customers' behavior, change in fashion. It is essential to adopt proper marketing strategy. There is need of research and find appropriate strategy for target market. Lot of success comes from trial and error, and it might be under stress and failure. Choosing appropriate marketing strategy is one of the obstacles to become and successful entrepreneur. We know that there is not a single producer or retailer or wholesaler in the market. There are various producers, retailers, and wholesalers, and they are competing each other. In that particular competition, there is need of research and need to find appropriate gap and make a proper strategy for the overcoming such competition. There are various types of strategies like target marketing and other type of marketing functions that they should be managed effectively. So this is also challenge. Financial financing and securing capital. We know that capital is lifeblood of business. The success of any enterprise is mainly depend upon optimum capital. But procuring such optimum capital is also problem. There are three terms regarding capital management or financial management, that is undercapitalization, overcapitalization, and optimum capitalization. Most of the organizations are facing problem of undercapitalization due to a limited capital. The entrepreneurs are facing the problem of regular capital. In case of underdeveloped countries, most of the entrepreneurs are problem of limited capital. How to procure sufficient capital is a crucial work because most of the banking and financial organizations are avoiding to provide capital due to risk factors, because each and every entrepreneur have not a proper credit worthiness, as well as he had limited collateral security. This is the problem. Another one is problem of partnership business. We know that there are various types of organization: sole trader, partnership, company, cooperative, corporations, etc. Most of the entrepreneur at the earlier stage choose the option of partnership business because of required lack of required fund or optimum fund. Harvesting benefit of large scale production and marketing is the basic object of entering or starting partnership business. But selection of proper partner is crucial task, and if you have make mistake in case of selection of proper partner, the business can be destroyed before birth or in the stage of development. So these are the problems as well as obstacles before entrepreneurs as well as entrepreneurship. Thank you once again